I know. Okay. It's dirty. I have to clean it up. Okay. I don't have any soap for kittens. Sorry, baby. I know, it's no fun, is it? Having you step in your own poopy. Hey, Dolly. It's okay. It's okay. You're alright. Strong little girl. You are. She's not too happy with me. I'm sorry. It had to be done. Oh, she's shivering. Well, she did a poopy and she stepped in her own poopy, so that's why I had to clean her. Oh, and hi. Oh, what a great day this is. It's gonna be a great day anyway. Well, it is a great day so far. September 4th, I believe is, I forgot. Oh, wait. I didn't know. Tomorrow is Eat Cheese Pizza. Today is something else. I'm not following a calendar. I just happened to see a website that said September 4th is something. Oh well, I'll figure it out later. She's shivering. But yowie. Long day at work. Carrie picked me up. It's another late video. I didn't video anything this morning. Didn't really have time. Hey, little bear. How you doing? You're always so happy wagging that tail. He's a happy dog. Carrie got wine. Let's see what kind of wine Carrie got. Barefoot Sweet Red Blend. Interesting.
That's what we got.
Okay, so it's 3 in the morning. Well, just about. It's like 2 something, I think. I don't know. But it was the 4th of September today, as you saw earlier in the kitchen. Tomorrow I'll try to film earlier, because it seems like I can't get anything done when I do it late. Hey, hi kitties. Okay, so here's the plan for my room. Alright, so you see my bed. I'm going to not have that in here anymore, but I'm going to get a chair that folds into a bed from Amazon, and I'll put a picture of that in here. Do you like it? See, I'm one of those sleepers. I wake up in the same position I fall asleep in, so I don't move around very much. So that kind of a bed is good for me, and that will take up so much less room in my room, and I'll be able to, you know, fix up my room finally. Because I'm tired of it looking like nothing. Because I feel like it's nothing. Come in here and it's like I can't do anything. Okay, so that's the plan. So you see what I'm getting ready to do with my room. It's fine. I'm sure they'll enjoy it too. I got my incense going. It stopped. Never mind. What? What are y'all doing? You want your food? Ah. Hi, Timmy. There's Timothy. Hey, buddy. Hi, what are you doing? You want some food, Timmy? You want some food? You want some food, Todd? You want food? Yeah? I guess I want your food. Guess I better feed him. Timmy. Timothy. What? What, Timmy? What, Timmy? Huh? What? What? Better speak. Speak. Timothy, what do you want? What do you want? Alright, off. Ouch. Alright, guys. Well, tomorrow's gonna be more interesting than today, I promise. Hey, stop it. I guess with that said, everyone, I'll see y'all tomorrow. And don't forget the key.